How to turn on NFC on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open shortcuts on your device. If you do not have shortcuts, then you can go ahead and download it from the App Store. Now tap on the automation option on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down and you will see the option for NFC. Tap on it and then tap on the scan option you see there, and with this, NFC will be ready to be scanned. So you can simply hold your device near the NFC tag in order to scan. So this is how you can turn on NFC on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.